Hello, hello. Good day, everyone. Sabrina here. And today I'm going to be showing you my credit system, the do-it-yourself credit repair system. Um, this system right here. Okay, so you hit this. I already have it up. Let's see. I think I have it up already. So when you hit that, it will go here. And as you can see, it has videos. It explains everything. It doesn't even take long. The video is only 24 minutes. But you can go through them. You can stop when you want, come back when you want. Pull your credit report. It give you links directly to an annual credit report right now. They are giving you a free credit report every week instead of once a year. That's amazing. I didn't know that until now. I'm working back on my credit again because some things happen. Things happen in life. We all know that. And sometimes you need to just get things off your credit. And I have some things, actually, I saw that not supposed to be on there. I don't even know where it came from. So it is very crucial that you keep up with your credit report. Because I was like, where is that and what is that? That is not mine. So I have to dispute these things off my credit. And I'm going to do it right here with this system. The second thing you want to do is freeze your secondary bureaus, right? And they give you all the links and all the places that where you go. It's a link right here. And you just, all that, you freeze your credit reports, right? And then you pull your credit to check for your errors and everything, which you're going to be disputing. And this is where it gets fun. Start the dispute process. This is what it is. Okay, so I already have my name filled in, my address. I'm actually going to change this. Ooh. Well, it doesn't matter. Because this is a dummy, I'm just doing this as a example. So date of birth 1/12/2000. And a social security number. You're going to enter your social. I'm going to show you a sample of one of the letters. So I have to fill this stuff in. Verification dispute letter is going to be the first letter, but this is a drop down of all the letters that you get, because a lot of times they will send something back. So it's like a process. Then you'll send a second letter, third letter, fourth letter. It'll tell you in the videos how and which letters you need to send, okay? Everybody have different situations. So then you want to hit which credit bureau. You're going to do first Equifax, okay? And then you're going to put an account. Let's spell capital right now. Capital 1. Probably with an O-I. Whatever. And then we're going to do, let's say Nordstrom. Right? I spelled that wrong too. I'm trying to type. Nordstrom. Okay. Now, you're going to fill this in, right? I'm going to do this real fast. Look how fast it's. So, then you're going to look at your report, all the things you want to put on there. And then you're going to hit save letter to history, right? And then you're going to download the letter, right? And once you download the letter, you can go and look at it. So, let me show you the letter. This is the letter, right? And everything is already filled in. Listen, this is amazing. You don't have to do no typing. All you're doing is fill it in the blanks. Look, I filled in the blanks. Put my name, social, address, everything up there, social. And then I'm going to print it out. You print it out and sign it. Do each bureau. It's going to be 3. So you may have to do 3 bureaus in 4 rounds. Or, it doesn't. Some people go through 2. When I first did mine, I had to go through 4 to get everything, but a lot of stuff had went off on the first round, second round, things started dropping. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys the dispute letters, and then you want to preview them. So this is a method of verification. It'll show you the preview of the letter right here. And see, all you're doing is putting in account information verified. So this is amazing, okay? This is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. So I just want to share that with you. And it has so much other things on here. It shows you how to correct your W-4. So if you have a job you can bring home more money. I'll do another video on that, how you can show you how to correct your W-4 and then show you how much you can deduct from your pay period every month for business and bring home more on your paycheck. It is amazing. And I also have the travel membership that's optional, and it's actually only like about maybe $20 more a month. No, $10 more or something a month to have this travel membership. I have used it. It saved me money. About $80 for a night, per night on a room. It saves you money on your room. And then the debt elimination calculator, it will show you about how you can start getting your debt eliminated faster. And we have the minimize taxes, the cash flow calculator, which I have to download because this helps you with your receipts, your gas expenses, all the things you need to do to write off from business. You can keep it here, so at the end of the year it can all be right here in this app, and this is included in your membership. Then they show cash flow strategies. So I am excited about sharing this and helping people change their lives, and I look forward to helping you get a 750 plus credit score with this amazing system. And then there's so much more that I can help you with as far as your business is concerned. Is building your business, building your brand, just helping you become the best version of yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video in its entirety, and I will see you at the top because the bottom is too crowded. And remember, this is a business as well, so you get paid for referring people to repair their credit, and some people use it as a credit business. They will repair people's credit and charge them a fee because some people really just don't want to print out a letter and mail it off. They just don't want to do it, and that's okay. We are here to help them people as well. They just going to pay a premium price when they could have paid this little bit of money. They rather pay premium to get premium service where they could just sit back and let it happen, and they ain't melt nothing and they ain't print out nothing. Some people want that luxury in life, and that's okay. They can afford it because you got to be able to afford that luxury. It's going to be a premium, and we can talk about that, and I can help you build your credit business if that's what you want to do. Do people credit that don't want to do it for themselves. This system right here can help you help people change their lives one way or another, helping people get into business or helping people to repair their credit for them for a premium, and you're getting paid. Okay, have a great and amazing day. I love you all. Peace and blessings. See you in the next video. Bye bye.